What you doing, Maya? We're just sitting chilling on the couch. You're so pretty. You're a pretty girl. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? What do you think, huh? What do you think? There's your brother. There's your brother. Chance. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Pretty girl? Maya? Yoda? Are you Yoda? Little Yoda. Little Yoda. What do you think? Is that your spot? Is that your spot? Is it? Yeah? You like that spot? Really? Is that right? Is that right? What do you think? Huh? My goodness.
Maybe you should stop trying to forget about your sister. Why not?
Maya. What do you think? Huh? Really? Is that right? Okay. What can you say? Bye-bye? Okay. Bye-bye. Maya. Yoda. Are you Yoda? Yeah, you're Yoda. Chance. Chance. What do you think, Chance? No, you stay down, buddy. Oh, stay down. You're too big. You can't be jumping up. Yeah.